Is this NYX Glue Face Primer really a game changer or just another sticky mess? Today we're going to put this to the test. Now we're going to apply this primer. First I'm going to shake it up because I don't want no product getting stick to the bottom of the bottle. And now we're going to apply this. Now this primer has a lot of pros as well as it has a lot of cons. They say this has a super grippy texture. It's great for long wear. It's an affordable alternative. It has like a lightweight feel and it gives you a smooth finish. But the cons is they say the sticky textures is not great for oily skin. It's not great for dry skin. It has an extremely strong fragrance, does not mix well with some foundations, and it takes a lot of time to set. Now I'm gonna let y'all know what I feel is true from what it ain't. When you apply this primer, it definitely does go on like glue. I'm not even gonna lie, like it goes on like glue. But we're just gonna rub it into all of our T-zone areas, and then we're gonna let it dry down. Now as you can see, this is my face with the primer applied. You see that it gives me a little bit of glow, so you know that there's something on my face. I always gotta give y'all context. I do have combination skin, so I really want to see how this primer reacts with my everyday foundation. And I'm not gonna put on too much foundation, or should I? But anyway, let's just see how this applies on top of foundation, okay? Okay, my foundation is applied on my skin very nicely, like how I normally apply my foundation. Now I do want to say my foundation is definitely sticking to my skin. However, I feel like this primer does give me a more cloudy appearance when I apply product over it, because normally when I put on my foundation it doesn't have like this cloudy look, but now that I use this primer with the foundation, it's definitely giving more like a cloudy appearance. Now I don't know if the product has to seep into the skin, I don't know yet, but we can see. Now let's apply some concealer. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty concealer. This is in the shade 350. Okay, we applied our concealer and it still looks gorgeously applied like I normally do. However, you know when you know how your makeup's supposed to look, it's not giving that. I'm not even gonna lie. Now let's set our concealer. We're going in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is in the shade Honey 05, and we're gonna set this with a powder puff. Now where is my powder? So we're gonna go in and we're gonna set this concealer that we applied, and basically I set everywhere that I applied foundation. I mean concealer. And I always let my setting powder sit for a minute. Whilst that's sitting, we're now going to put on some mascara. So I'm going in with the Essence Lash Princess mascara. I feel like our setting powder is setting enough, so we're just going to tap this in because I don't want to swipe it off. We're gonna bronze our face. We're going in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. Do some bronzing. And also, I have a surprise for y'all. I also picked up the NYX Face Glue setting spray as well, and we're going to spray. A review will be coming on this next, so make sure you subscribe. We're not going to talk about this. We're going to talk about the primer. We're just going to let our face dry down while we do our lip. And now we're going in with the NYX lipstick, NYX Lingerie. This is in the color Hot Carmelo. Okay y'all, so our face is done. This is my everyday makeup look that I normally would do. However, I'm not using my everyday makeup look product. Okay y'all, so my face is already done. This is my everyday makeup look. So now what do we rate this primer? Now that my makeup is fully applied, this is definitely not the best primer that I've used. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't like how it makes my makeup appear and it doesn't mix well with products. So it could be a foundation issue and maybe I need to use a NYX foundation. I don't know, but as of now I don't like it. I'm not even gonna hold you, but yeah, I don't like how it makes my makeup look. As for the gripping texture, I do feel like your makeup will stick to your skin. Now as for the longevity of it, I wouldn't know until the wear test, like I say, but it's definitely not the best primer that I've used. And like I said, for context, my skin is combination skin, and I just wanted to be honest with y'all. But this is the finished look. I don't know, maybe y'all can give it a try, maybe y'all would like it, but as for me, it's not the best primer that I used. I'm not